So welcome back, friends. Hope you are fine and doing well. In this lecture, we are going to learn about the how to create a pixel. Okay. So in these previous classes, we have discussed about the domain verification procedure. After the verification of your domain, then we need to create the pixel. And previously, we have already learned about the importance of creation of the pixel. Okay. Importance of the advantages of a pixel, how many ways we can use the pixel, how much it is very much advantageous for getting the leads, okay, conversion of leads, okay, retargeting purpose, it is basically used, okay. So in order to create a pixel, install on your website or a funnel, and basically a pixel can be installed on your website or a funnel, okay. If you don't have a website, then ignore these steps. Okay, if you do not have a website where you will verify the domain and where you will fix the code, right? So this it is not possible if you do not have a website. Okay, if you want to do lead generation, okay, by using the just Facebook page creation and starting the lead generation by using the Facebook page itself, then it is not required. Okay, so if you have a website, then only you can create a pixel. Okay, do remember this one. Okay, so here I am providing you a link here. So by using this link also, you can follow the steps guidelines one after one to make your pixel creation creation of the pixel. What is so I am copying this one. Okay, so do remember with this. Okay, is connected. Remove it. Is my voice clear to you, all of you now? Is my voice clear now? So how to create a pixel? Let us see the details. So in order to create the pixel, friends, we need to go to the data sources. Okay, under the data sources, go to the pixel topic name called the pixel. Okay, pixel is simply how we have created the pixel for a domain, how we have verified the domain. In the same manner, we need to have to create the pixel. Okay, so after the class, you see here. So go to the pixel. And the pixels, open the pixels. Is my voice clear, friends? Please confirm. Other systems are also being taken connected with this Bluetooth. That's why voice is coming like that. Is are we connected? Please be confirm once. Are we connected? Okay. So see here. pixels. So open to the event manager. Actually, we have a pixel creation is disabled and has been replaced with dataset creation. Here, datasets. Okay. So please create a data set to set up web events. Data sets are there. Okay. Under the data sets, here you will be having. Okay. So do remember. Now, is it anyone selected here? Is it anyone selected here? Not selected. Okay. So what is the, for example, psychology hub is there? Is there any pixel here connected? Not. No pixel is there. Okay. People, assets, pixel. Okay, okay, okay. Hold by Sheikh Nizamuddin. Say, my pixel ID is one 490. So let us add one. Okay, for example. So we need to come here and add. We need to add here. Okay. We need to come and we need to add. See, for example, if I select this one, Digital Nizamuddin. Okay, the pixel ID, this is the pixel ID 9611712 like that. For a Digisoft shop, so this is the pixel. Okay, so this is also another pixel we have created. So one more pixel has been created. Okay, next go exit. Okay, go exit is also having by this one. Go exit case sent a partnership request. I accept. Okay, they have sent us a partnership request. Then okay, this access. Now just refresh this page. Creation of in order to I have seen here go exit request pending is shown, but now it is showing now. Okay, this pixel we have created yesterday. So by this name only we have created a pixel. Go exit pixel. So like that, we need to create a pixel. Whatever pixel means, you have to select this one. If you want to add, for example, you have to add the pixel here. For example, I am adding before you one. Create a new data set. Data set name we have to give. With that name, one pixel ID is automatically created. That's it. So we are going to deal with the one website that is, yeah. So, okay. Okay. That's it. One website, one data set we are preparing here. Okay. Have you seen here? One ID has been now created. Okay. Okay. Status and email. So you have successfully created a new data set to start receiving events from a server, website or app. Open the data set in events manager. So now open the events manager. Whenever we open the event manager, here it will show. If it is created, it may not show like this. Everyone is having one pixel, right? Here. Okay. So these ID is different, friends, and pixel ID is different. Okay. So now we are going to create a pixel, create a custom conversion period. So you are at the non. Okay. So this ID is the representation of the Musa Welfare and Educational Society. Okay. If we wants to create any custom conversion, now pixel is set up, domain is verified now. So we can go to the pixel setup process. Okay. So and we can go to the creation of ad, create and custom audience, look like audience, etc. Please wait. Sir. Please wait, sir. I'm coming. Okay. Come to Masjid. Yes, sir. Coming. मस्जिद के पास आइए आप. पारसी बादाम मस्जिद. हाँ आइए. So friends, here like this. So the pixel has been created now. I hope you now you understand here. If you want to create any ad now, custom audience, look like audience, like then you can target. Okay. Okay. So this is the method. In the upcoming classes, I will tell you in clearly how to target the customer conversion by using the pixel setup, how to set up this pixel for the retargeting purpose. Okay. How to make use of these pixels and how they can start, uh, you know, getting the data, etc. We will discuss in the coming classes. Thank you so much for being connected. Have a nice day. So let's conclude this class now.